Easy bar curl primarily target the bicep brachii front of the upper arms, brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. So first of all, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and select the plate according to your strength and hold the bar with an underhand grip. Elbow close to the body, lift the bar up toward your shoulder with control form. Hold it for 1 second, squeeze the bicep muscle, then gradually bringing the bar to the starting position. To complete your repetition, take the support of your gym partner or gym trainer so that the strength and size of your bicep can grow very fast. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Dumbbell overhead extension target the tricep brachii, back of the upper arms, standing or sitting on the bench with your back supported and hold the one dumbbell with both arms above your head, elbow bent and pelvis facing up. Lower the dumbbell behind your head and then press the dumbbell upward until your entire arms is straight. In this, whenever you bring in the dumbbell upward, make sure to squeeze the tricep muscle. Maintaining the same form, do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Easy bar preacher curl focusing on the bicep brachii with an emphasis on the peak contraction. Adjust the seat of the preacher curl bench and sit on the bench. Place your upper arm on the bench pad and hold the easy bar with an underhand grip. Keep your upper arms and elbows stable. Lift the bar up toward your shoulder and curl it. Then stretch the bicep muscle by moving it back to the starting position with control speed. Start with the light weight and do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Reverse grip push down. Target the tricep brachii with the emphasis on the middle head. First of all, stand facing the cable machine and attach the straight bar handle to the top lock of the cable machine and hold the bar with the reverse grip hand. Elbow close to the body, push the handle downward, will fully extend the hand, then squeeze the tricep muscle, then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions with proper form. Cable crucifix curl focusing on the brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. Stand in the center of the cross cable machine and attach the D handle to the upper lock of the both sides of the machine and hold the handle in each hand, keeping your hand straight at the shoulder height and elbow stable. Curl the handle toward your shoulder with control form. Hold it for 1 second, squeeze your bicep muscle, then slowly bringing the handle back to the starting position. This is a very good exercise to maintain pump in bicep muscle. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Bench dips primarily target the tricep brachii with the secondary involvement of the chest and shoulder muscle. As shown in the video, sit on the edge of the bench and hold the edge of the bench with the both hands equally to shoulder width. Then place your feet straight in front of you on the ground or on a bench. Then slowly lower your body down, bending your elbow and then using a tricep to push yourself back to the starting position. If you want, you can also perform this by placing the lightweight plate on your thigh. This is a very good bodyweight exercise. You can do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions.